Good morning, student. So in the today class we are discussed about the energy stored in a magnetic field and mutual inductance of two coils. So first we have discussed about the moment of energy, mutual inductance of two coils. First we consider a magnetic field is due to the electromagnet, that is a coil of several number of turns. This coil or inductor is carrying current I when it is connected across a battery or voltage source through a switch. So all of you know that about the phenomena of electromagnetic induction. So what happens there? When the current must be flow in a conductor, around that conductor the magnetic field is produced. So here the magnetic field is how produced? Due to the electromagnet. So you are taken a coil of several turns. So a current must be passes through that coil. What happens? Around that coil the magnetic field must be produced. So this is the circuit diagram. So you are seeing that diagram. A coil is there having the inductance, it is a L, and a battery is there, positive terminal and negative terminal, and a switch is there. If the switch is closed, what happens? The current flowing through the coil. Suppose a battery voltage is V volts, value of inductor is L Henry, and the current I will flow at steady state. So when the switch is on, switch on ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ current flow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ current flow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Coil ಮುಖಾಂತರ. A current will flow from 0 to its steady value. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ current. But due to the self induction, a induced voltage appears, which is according to the Lenz's law, already all of you know, E is equal to L di upon dt. The negative sign, it shows the direction of the current. The E always in the opposite direction of the rate of change of current as shown in the diagram. ಅಲ್ಲಿ E ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್. As the current starts from its zero value and flowing against the induced EMF E, the energy will grow up gradually from 0 to value U. That is du is equal to W into dt, where W is small power and W is equal to minus E into I. So du is equal to W into dt, where W is small power, then W is equal to minus EI. So the energy stored in the inductor is given by du is equal to W into dt or minus EI into dt. So you put the value of that is E is equal to L di upon dt. So there minus is there, here minus E is there, get cancel, then L di upon dt into I dt. Simplified to this one, L I di. Now integrate the energy from 0 to its final value. So you got U is equal to integration from 0 to U du, that is 0 to I L I di, that is equal to, simplify that equation, you got 1 by 2 L I square. Okay, so this is about the energy stored in a magnetic field. Now mutual inductance of two coils. So you see the figure first. So here one coil is there having the so many turns, that is called as the P, number of turns is you are taken NP, and over that another coil called it is secondary coil, the number of turns must be it is less than that primary coil. So then, so here you see that a long solenoid of length L and area of cross section A containing the number of turns is NP, and it's known as the primary coil. Let a shorter secondary coil having N2, that is number of turns must be it is N2, be wound closely over the central portion of primary coil as shown below the figure. So that is the total magnetic flux through secondary coil I is 5Z, that is total magnetic flux is equal to mu naught NP N N S IP and it is A. A is area divided by L. The EMF induced in the secondary coil is given by sigma is equal to minus d phi s divided by dt, that is equal to minus mu naught NP NS A divided by L into dip divided by dt. So we know that sigma is equal to minus m dip upon dt, that is according to the mutual inductance. So m is equal to mu naught NP NS A divided by it is L. So this is about the mutual inductance of the two coils. Thank you.